I've made some changes to the graphing program. Before we go, we'll look at the data page here in the bottom. What I have done is inserted an alt character as my data validation list, and to generate that object, it's alt in 219. These things are possible because of alt codes. You know, one of my favorite one is I refer to my alt code sheet. If I hit alt 3, I would generate a heart, and so that might be good for graphing on Valentine's Day. Anyway, the other thing that I discovered about the data sheets or things that you maybe don't want students to play with is that I can right click and hide that data sheet and still access it. So now the changes to the graph, we no longer have points to drag. Our points will show by selecting a drop down, and it plots that alt 219 character in there. So that might something new. The other thing is we look at this problem over here, x plus y is equal to 10, and we need to graph this. Something I found that if I on my x coordinate, if I select 1, hold the shift key down on my keyboard and select 9, I see my intercept point. Moving down to say 4 and 6, I'll select 4 and 6. You can see there's my intercept. And so by using those tools, a student might be able to better plot, because again, these lines, there are several of them, and they don't always show up well for me. Shift and select, and there's our intercept point. And I know that occasionally teachers like to have lines drawn. The only way to pull that off would be to insert a line shape and draw through like so. But that makes math teachers happy, and it makes me happy. So that is the new, improved Excel graphing option.